this area as well. I think this area is going to be a very big spot for future development, and maybe even a future potential party spot. Fitzhugh and Henderson have a lot of development going on there. So once that materializes and finishes and that matures, they're gonna start looking over on Ross. I think a lot of it is zoned for mixed use retail and multifamily. So it's weird because it's like slightly it's like a mix of income types of people that I see.